Hey everybody, this is Will from Bad Ninja Multimedia. We're going to be doing an unboxing today of the Yongnuo YN560-TX, which is the wireless flash controller and commander. Here it is, beautiful product, listed in the actual packaging that it came. Yongnuo, again, I can't elaborate enough how much I love these products. This flash controller is going to be insanely effective. I bought it because I have a wedding gig coming up, and I like to be able to adhere certain flashes at different points and turn them off, turn them on, manually set whatever brightness I want them to have on them, up the stops, lower the stops, all that stuff without actually having to go to each flash, you know, and set it. And so here we are. We still get to see the fresh unboxing just to see what comes in this YN560-TX manual flash controller from Yongnuo. Here it is. Again, you can find links to all the products I review and unbox in our descriptions below, so you'll find this Yongnuo 560-TX wireless flash controller, link to what you can buy it, where you can buy it in the description below. So let's pull out the bubble wrap. There goes the box. Here goes the bubble wrap. So let's pull this out. And here it is. Here's this bad boy. Again, this is not a review, so I'll be posting a review of it later so I can get more thorough. I'm really excited to use this because I have tons of Yongnuo 560 IV Speedlights, so I'm going to be able to adhere, hook up all these to it wirelessly, be able to control them manually from this bad boy, as opposed to going to the Speedlight every single time I need to either turn it off, deactivate it, or manually adjust the brightness that is outputting. That concludes this unboxing. I hope you guys get to see what you're spending your money on and seeing what you're going to pull out of the box. So I'm Will from Bad Ninja Multimedia. Thanks for watching, guys.